Hello, so this is our first lesson on a new sequence called Life During COVID-19 and the Media. During this sequence, we are going to study the media in English-speaking countries during the special period we're going through, the COVID-19. This is slide number 1, where you can see a screenshot of different icons of the media. And you can see social media, for example, the written press, you can see TV channels, but also radio stations and so on. On this page you can also see two pictures at the top. So there's the one in the top right hand corner, which I would like to talk about first. I asked my students if they could describe it. There are three parts, the one in the center, then there's the inner circle, and then there's the outer circle. Why don't you think about it? Pause this video for a while and write down what you can see and what you think it means and what the message was. The other picture is a picture that some students interpreted as being representing the medical profession, which is usually represented by the color blue. You can also see the coronavirus there in the background. Okay, so same thing, pause the video for a while and try to find your own interpretation of this picture. So before we go on, I would like you to think about the meaning of this acronym, COVID-19, which is actually an English acronym. When I asked my students, they very rightly said, okay, CO stands for corona, of course, and the V stands for virus. But actually the letters I and D were more of a problem. So one indication for the letter D, it is a synonym of illness or sickness, and then I is an adjective that goes with this noun. Okay, so let's think about it for a while. Okay, and you can see at the bottom that it is coronavirus infectious disease 2019 because it was discovered in 2019. Let's now have a look at what my students or some of my students had to say about the two pictures. So, as you can see, I'll read the text for you. In the center we can see planet Earth, people with open arms in the inner circle, and the outer circle represents the virus. People are together, united all around the world. The colors represent diversity. The top left picture shows that we need to learn to live with the virus. We cohabitate with it. It's in the background of the picture. This could mean that the people don't take it seriously enough. The words that I highlighted are some words which we commented on. So the adjectives inner and outer, first of all. So as you can see, inner means situated on the inside and outer means situated on the outside. Then we made a little comment about the word enough, which already has a strange pronunciation because the last two letters, GH, are actually pronounced as if they were written F, so enough. If we look at this sentence, people don't take it seriously enough, and now you try to translate it into French, you will see that the order of the words is different. Okay, so let's exercise a little bit and make you translate another sentence, this one. Okay, take some time to write it down. Pause the video if you need more time. And here is the English. I'm not tall enough. Okay, so enough goes behind the adjective tall whereas in French, assez is before the adjective grande. This sentence, l'écriture de Zachary, he is one of my students, n'est pas assez clair. So pause the video maybe to write down your translation in English. And so you can see that the translation is Zachary's handwriting isn't clear enough. Okay, I hope you've learned something with this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.